Ka Regional Democratic Alliance kelap Pynlong Jingïalang ke beningkong ke kendai turik mentau benai nok pra nak ke bentar beni penteli ya ke United Democratic Party but ke Hill State People's Democratic Party bantau buit terikam nak ke bentar ke Ilekshon MDC Arhajar Arpusan nak ke bentar ke KHASI Hills but Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. La Pynlong ke ni ke Jingïalang hasilong kelap ha ke bakalani adu arkentah nak ke bentar beni keren laki ni ki sengsan perthai kin pengieng lagi jongki kertong ni kini so lang hapok kalama jongka RDA. Ka Jingïalang ban but dien kan long biang ha khatway turik mentau benai ha ka ba on sa shimya ka rai ka ba khat do Halor ka te ke bentar.
We just had a discussion how to go about it. What is the opinion of the members of the RDA regarding the election of MDC election? So we had decided that we will meet again on the 11th of this month at 8 p.m. to finalize the strategy, the decision, how to go along regarding this MDC election. Whether we will go for pre-poll alliance or we will have adjustment, we will have understanding regarding the setting up of candidate in respective constituency.
Ka kinhun